The last example we're going to look at is the PR curve. So the PR curve is a great way of evaluating the performance of a model, and MXBoard provides useful functionality to create this PR curve automatically and have an interactive plot within TensorBoard. So an example of the PR curve, we create our summary writer and we use the add PR curve method. So the PR curve needs two components. The first one is the predictions itself and then the labels. So the predictions are returned from the model, but in this case we're just randomly creating some predictions, and we have 100 samples that we're predicting against. The labels also in this example are randomly generated, but for your own machine learning model you will have labels and predictions. So you provide both of those to the add PR curve method, both of which will be ND arrays. And then the last argument that you specify is the num thresholds. So that's the number of thresholds that are going to be calculated. And using these thresholds, you get values for precision and recall. And it's at these thresholds you plot your curve of a PR graph. So we'll run that now. We'll save those to disk and check TensorBoard. We have the PR curve tab that's appeared, and clicking on that we can see the plot of our PR curve. So we have our precision and recall axes defined, and we can hover over this line to see the exact values. So at this point, for example, we have a precision of 0.8, so that's 83%, and a recall of 8% approximately. And that was for our threshold of 0.92. So we got all this information on the number of true positives, false positives, etc., and be able to interpret and evaluate our model from there. So now that we've looked at all the different data types that are available with MXBoard and TensorBoard, and we've finished working with TensorBoard, let's not forget to stop our server.